Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of masterful keys with the best digital pianos of 2024. These top picks offer exceptional sound quality, realistic key action, and advanced features for both beginners and professionals alike. Let's begin. Donner DDP-100S. The Donner DDP-100S is a digital piano with an upgraded 88-key progressive weighted keyboard that accurately replicates the feel and sound of an acoustic grand piano. Users can improve their finger strength and piano playing technique with the aid of this keyboard. Apart from its realistic keyboard, the DDP-100S provides an extensive array of features to augment the musical experience. More creative options are offered by the 200 sounds, 200 rhythms, and 100 demo songs that are included. And to meet different practice needs, the piano also has auto-tuning, a metronome, transposition, and MIDI in-out capabilities. The DDP-100S's speaker system has been updated, which enhances the playing experience overall. With balanced adjustment and enhanced stereo power, the piano provides a three-dimensional listening atmosphere. Deep and powerful bass tones are guaranteed, along with delicate and silky treble tones, thanks to the AWM dynamic sampling technology. Due to its small size, the DDP-100S is appropriate for use at home, and compared to its predecessor, the DDP-100, it is lighter and has less volume, which frees up more room in the room. It's a great option that the whole family will appreciate because of this. Kawai KDP120. Kawai has already shown that they make excellent pianos, and their KDP120 was our favorite in this group. This instrument uses Kawai's harmonic imaging sound engine. It is one of Kawai's less expensive console models, but it is still quite capable. You can tell that the samples sound extremely natural just by taking a quick listen to demos, or better yet, by getting your hands on them. With Kawai's Piano Remote app, you can even adjust different piano tone parameters, just like with the ES920. Regretfully, without an external device, it is a little more difficult to make changes due to the absence of a display. Fortunately, Bluetooth compatibility makes connecting easy. The key action is purely plastic and lacks the synthetic ivory and ebony surface textures used on some of the competitors. Still, the action is of very high quality. It has the weight and response that you would anticipate from a genuine piano, and Kawai even tweaked the cushion to enable a more organic bottom out. You can play back and practice over 200 songs directly on the device thanks to the 5 preset music books that are a pleasant bonus. Layer and dual mode are also included, and this is great for beginners as the songs are tailored for piano students. Yamaha Arius YDP-145. The well-liked YDP-145 bridges the gap between Yamaha's P-Series portable digital pianos and their more expensive Clavinova line, striking the ideal balance between affordability and cutting-edge features. Because of its amazing CFX grand piano sound, dual headphone jacks, and incredibly playable GHS keyboard, the YDP-145 is well-liked by both piano teachers and students. It is simple enough to appeal to beginners while being adaptable enough to provide a satisfying experience for more experienced players. Its graded hammer standard keyboard action facilitates the development of appropriate finger strength and technique, making the switch to playing on an acoustic piano simple. And the improved CFX sound engine deliver expressive, high-resolution recordings of the Yamaha CFX 9-foot concert grand piano. When you pedal, VRM light simulates the depth of tone of an acoustic piano digitally, and newly enhanced reverbs set the stage for you to simulate playing in a range of different environments. The YDP-145, which comes in a selection of white, rosewood, and black finishes, provides a realistic piano playing experience in a chic and small package that won't overpower your living room. Roland FP-30X. The Roland FP-30X ranks easily among the top 5 at this price range. It hits its sweet spot with the FP-30X when quality is important but budget is also a consideration. This sleek and compact portable piano improves upon the entry-level FP-10 by adding more polyphony, a stronger sound engine, and powerful onboard speakers, all while maintaining an affordable price. With the same expressive 88-note PHA-4 standard keyboard as the high-end FP-60X and Roland's supernatural piano technology, the FP-30X is the ideal home instrument for experienced players. It's also a great option for any pianist who wishes to improve their abilities or play at small gatherings because of its lightweight design and Bluetooth connectivity for lessons and play-along musical accompaniment. Overall, this model is amazing value for money and has everything you need and nothing you don't. Casio CDPS160. The value of a digital piano is redefined by the CDPS160, which is realistic, portable, and comfortable to play. This piano is ideal for pianists who require a grand piano sound and feel in a compact area, whether they are students, hobbyists, or both. The 88-key scaled hammer action keyboard of the CDPS160 provides a realistic piano touch. As you play, slippage is prevented by simulated ivory and ebony key surfaces. With the ability for 2 players to play the same range of keys on a single CDPS160, duet mode is perfect for lessons or performances, and 10 tones are available, one of which is a stunning grand piano with reverb and chorus that you can adjust. You can also practice quietly at any time using your preferred headphones and the integrated metronome, or you can listen through the built-in stereo speaker system. One of the simple controls on the CDPS160 is a one-button recorder that allows you to record and replay your performances. And weighing only 23.1 lbs and capable of running on either its included power supply or 6 AA batteries, the CDPS160 provides unprecedented portability and convenience. Korg LP-380. This high-quality musical instrument is crafted by expert craftsmen in Kyoto, Japan, renowned for their precision and artistry in musical instrument production. At the heart of the Korg LP-380 is the RH3 keyboard, designed to replicate the feel of an acoustic piano. This feature makes it perfect for pianists who value subtle touch and control because it guarantees a responsive and genuine playing experience. The rich and lively acoustic piano sounds of the LP-380 are among its most notable features. Playing modern songs or classical pieces, the piano tones are painstakingly sampled to create a realistic and entertaining musical experience. This LP-380 has sophisticated features, but it also has a smaller chassis, lighter weight, and a smaller package than its competitors. This makes it a good option for home use without sacrificing functionality or style. That wraps up our review of the best digital pianos of 2024. Don't forget to explore the links in the description box below to discover more about each featured digital piano. Find the perfect instrument to inspire your creativity and elevate your musical expression.